Welcome back to my channel, Clota Technology. We specialize in delivering expert SQL DBA services, including performance tuning, backup and recovery, high availability and disaster recovery, database security and hardening, installations, upgrades, and migrations, 24/7 monitoring, and emergency support. Our mission is to offer reliable, efficient, and secure database solutions to keep your business running without disruptions. Today, let's walk through a step by step guide on how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server 2022 on Windows 10. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, this tutorial will help you get started the right way. Start by opening your browser and type Microsoft SQL Server 2022 on Google. Hit enter and click on the official Microsoft SQL Server download link. On the Microsoft site, scroll down and choose either the Developer Edition or the Express Edition. Developer Edition is free and ideal for development and testing purposes. Express Edition is lightweight version suitable for small scale production. For this tutorial, we will go with the Developer Edition. Click on the download now to begin. Once a setup file is downloaded, right-click the file and select Open. You will get a prompt asking for permission. Click Yes to continue. Now, a window will appear with three options: Basic, Custom, Download Medium. Select Download Medium, which allows you to keep a copy for future installations. Choose ISO file format and click Download. Once the download completes, locate the ISO file in your Downloads folder. Right-click the ISO file and select Mount. A new virtual DVD drive will appear. Double-click it to open. Now, double-click the setup.exe file. When prompted, click S to allow the installer to run. From the SQL Server Installation Center, choose New SQL Server Standalone Installation or Add features to an existing installation. Select the Developer Edition and click Next. Accept the license terms and click Next again. On the Microsoft Update screen, you can either check for updates or skip. Now, click to proceed. The installer will now check for install rules. If you get a warning about the Windows firewall, note it. We will configure the firewall later. Click Next. On the feature selection screen, choose the features you want. I am selecting Database Engine Services and SQL Server Replication. Choose the default directory, usually C drive. Then click Next. Now, in instance configuration, select default instance, then click Next. On the server configuration page, leave the default servers service accounts or specify your own, then click Next. In database engine configuration, choose mixed mode authentication. It's Windows plus SQL Server Auth. Select a strong SA password and click Add current users to assign yourself admin access and click Next. Now, configure data directories. You can assign separate drives for data root, user DB files, logs, backups. Next, configure TempDB. Click the TempDB tab and select a separate location for TempDB files, such as the T drive. Once done, click Next. Review the summary on the Ready to Install screen. If all looks good, click Install. Once installation is complete, you will see Succeeded next to each component. Click Close to finish. To enable remote SQL connections, 1. Open Windows Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Inbound Rules, then New Rule. Select Port. Click Next and enter 1433, the default SQL Server port. Allow the connections, apply it all profiles. Name the rule SQL 1433 and finish. Repeat the same steps under outbound rules. Now, open SQL Server Configuration Manager. Expand SQL Server Network Configuration, then click Protocols for MS SQL Server. Right click TCP/IP and choose Enable. You may need to restart the SQL Server services for changes to take effect. Open SQL Server Management Studio and try connecting using your server name. If everything is set up correctly, you will be connected successfully. That's it. You are successfully installed Microsoft SQL Server 2022 on Windows 10. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.